is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a free, no obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers, and hey, it's 2022. And in 2022, we have a lot of the same, meaning the virus, divorces. Yeah, after the New Year, after the Christmas, nobody loves their husband anymore. Nobody loves their wife anymore. More importantly, I think they can't take the kids anymore. So if you could resolve it by mediation, counseling, then do so. If not, give us a call. We will take care of your divorce in an economical way. Again, it's 2022. And during the end of this year, I had my own encounter with medical issues. Not the COVID, but what I learned was, can your doctor really diagnose your medical issue? And all doctors not the same. All hospitals are not the same. And that is why they always say, get a second opinion on any medical issue that you may have. So some doctors, they look at the reports after the research, and different doctors come to different conclusions. And those conclusions could be life-threatening. In law, that's what I do. I diagnose. You have an employment issue, you believe you were wrongfully terminated, there's a series of questions that we ask. You want to get a divorce? Is there equitable distribution? Again, there's a series of questions that we ask our clients during that consultation. Immigration law. Did you come here with inspection, without inspection? Have you ever committed a crime here or overseas? And a lot of people, unfortunately, think if they have a different name, their fingerprints wouldn't connect. No. So what we do is diagnose. Wills, trusts, and estate planning. Everyone wants to do a will, but legally, you should avoid having to do a will. A will is your last resort. What you need is wills, trusts, and estate planning. And what better person than Mr. Figueroa, who has not only a background in law, but a background in accounting, taxes, economic. Key words, key areas of law that determine wills, trusts, and estate planning, the final advice that you... So it's not about filling out a form, because before you fill out the form, you should understand the law. And if you don't understand the law, then you cannot represent your client properly. Similarly, in medical field, you get that other opinion because it is life-threatening. And in the area of law, if you're not sure, you get another consult. That is the process. It is a process of determining whether or not the advice that you got was the best advice, not the best cost. In my experience, I've seen people pay more for less. So sometimes we are penny smart, dollar foolish. Well, when it's immigration issues, legal issues, obviously, you don't want to make certain mistakes. And similarly, with medical issues, you don't want to make the same mistake. So please, for 2022, your motto, your resolution should be, let me get some more advice. And at Figueroa and Associates, our consultations are free. Not because we want to give away our knowledge, but because we want to show you how smart we are, that we can get the job done and we know how to do proper legal analysis. Have a question? Do you want an in-office, out-office consultation? We do so. During the pandemic, and obviously we're still in the pandemic, we do mostly telephone consultations. Our number to call for that free legal consultation is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. We also have our legal website with a lot of information on it. You could go to our legal website and read, understand, and you may have additional questions. To go to our legal website, go to www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Now, one of the programs that we support, one of the programs that we promote, one of the programs that could give you even great in-depth knowledge on legal issues is our paralegal program. So we have partnered with our Chamber of Commerce, the New American, African American, and Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. And I believe we are in our 7th or 8th year of the paralegal program. So do you want to learn the law in more depth because you would like to be a paralegal? Or is understanding the law part of your profession? Or you just want knowledge? So if you would like to understand the law in more depth, matrimonial, immigration, will, trust and estate, employment law, workers' compensation law, personal injury law, which deals with auto accidents, slip and fall, medical malpractice. We have classes that you could register for on any legal matter. Our small business solutions, which is part of our small business boot camp. You want to understand how to run your business, fund your business better. At Figueroa & Associates, we believe that our community should be treated in a respectful way, in a way that, we think that you're smart. We think you could learn. We think that you can make good decisions. We want you to understand the law, civil rights issues, yes, stop and frisk issues, lawsuits against the city, the state, the federal government. We discuss those issues in those classes. So, and most of those seminars are now on Zoom. So if you want information on our paralegal program supported by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, go to Ask the Lawyer, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. There's a paralegal graphic there. You click it and you go to the paralegal program. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. It's 2022. How are you going to approach this new year? This new way of life with the pandemic? This new way of life, period, because a lot of us are not going to be like we were before the pandemic. Meaning, we have a lot more value for life. We are reassessing our career goals, our life goals, what is important, what is not important, what should we do for the future. We have had many people, because of the pandemic, come to our office to do proper wills, trusts, and estate planning. Why? Because they want to provide for their family, their parents, their children, their spouses. It is only natural that human beings are concerned about their family. Give us a call for our wills, trust, and estate planning consultation. If you own a home, if you own two, if you own a business, if you have children, if you're a single parent, what should you be doing in your wills, trust, and estate planning for the 2022 and beyond, especially with the pandemic, and especially for those who may have underlying conditions, and a lot of us have those conditions in our community. So please be responsible. Call for our wills, trust, and estate planning consult. The number to call is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Give us a call or visit our website, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Look at our publications. Yes, Figueroa & Associates also supports the Caribbean American Weekly, the Immigrants Journal. The Immigrants Journal was founded in 1998. Yes. And one of the things that we advocated for was voting rights for green card holders, and it was a long journey. For comprehensive immigration reform, what we would like to see is simple: the reinstatement of 245I. So anyone who is in Congress, the U.S. Senate, anyone who wants to see a quick solution to comprehensive immigration reform, what we could do is advocate for the reinstatement of 245I. Presidente Fox of Mexico made that suggestion 2 decades ago. That's 2001, 2 decades ago. And he was right. What is 245I? Give us a call. If you're an elected official and you want to know what 245I is, give us a call so that you could be on the right track in Congress. Congresswoman Clark, Congressman Jeffries in Brooklyn, Congresswoman Nydia Velázquez, reinstate 245I. Senator Schumer, Senator Gillibrand, reinstate 245I. It is all you have to do, and it's a great solution for those that are undocumented in the United States of America. By reinstating 245I, you will also raise millions of dollars for border control and for fighting terrorism. Reinstate 245I. Again, are you an elected official? Do you know an elected official? Please look at the reinstatement of 245I. If you want to understand better what 245I is, attend our immigration seminars in the new year 2022. Go to the paralegal program, look at our schedules so that you could understand why reinstating 245I could help millions of undocumented people in America raise millions of dollars for border control, security. It is a wise decision. How did I conclude? Well, I'm a lawyer, and I know my immigration law, and I know what has to be done in the best interest of America and immigrants. Again, our free legal consultations on any legal matter, give us a call. The number is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Or visit our website, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You want to listen to this program? Listen to our podcast. Where? www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Who are you? Do you wish to bring about change? Do you want to improve the lot of immigrants in our community? Hey, stop talking, start acting, and get the knowledge that you need to help our people. Peace. It's 2022.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.